Hi everyone, it's Shireen. Welcome back to my channel. So a few weeks ago, Dr. Jart sent me this package of their Tiger Grass Camo drops, but I've been holding off on using it because I did recently start a new skincare routine using exclusively Drunk Elephant. It's been 2.5 months now, so I wanted to make sure that my skin is at a really good place before I start introducing new products. So today I'm going to be putting this to the test, but before we get into that, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you're excited about it, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe down below. Now let's go ahead and get right into it. So Dr. Jart claims that their Tiger Grass Camo drops soothes redness and camouflages imperfections. On the product it says that it neutralizes redness and ignites skin's glow. It soothes and energizes sensitized skin. So just a quick backstory, I do have oily, sensitive, and acne-prone skin, and my skin definitely does get red. I know sometimes on camera it's a bit hard to see that, but in person it's definitely red. Like right now it's pretty normalized, but I do have most of my redness just right along my cheeks, and then along my T-zone is just more of a calm redness, if that makes sense. But yeah, I have redness, so I'm very excited to try this out and see if it actually works. Okay, I just wanted to get a little bit more up close and personal so you can see my skin better. So on here it says, after a moisturizer, apply 2 to 3 drops. The formula will change from green to beige to assist with evening out skin tone and make skin glow before makeup application. Okay, so I already moisturized my skin with Drunk Elephant's Bee Hydra. I only used like 2 or 3 pumps and just put it all over my face. So now I'm going to go in with 2 to 3 drops of this one. You want to make sure to shake this really well before you apply it to your face. So shake, shake, shake. Alright. It smells like herbally. Does anybody else always smell their products before they use them? Because I always do. Okay, so I'm going to take a few drops of this onto... Actually, you know what? Let me put it on the back of my hand. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. Cool. Okay, so I'm just going to take my ring finger and tap it into this and begin to just tap it all over my face and blend it out. So it is applying green to begin with. It definitely does have a lightweight, watery texture. Ooh, wow, I feel like it's already neutralizing redness. Like, it kind of just has more of like a green tone right now. It kind of reminds me of a color corrector. Here is definitely a spot that has a lot of redness because of my active breakouts. So this will be interesting to see how it works. Wow. I'm very impressed. Like instantly, it's just pulling that redness out of it and making it way more neutralized. And it's also blending out very easily. I'm not having any sort of difficulty with this. Wow. When I look at myself in the mirror right now, I definitely see a big difference. I feel like I just have like a light tinted moisturizer on this side, whereas this side is just like more red. Obviously I have an active breakout here, so it's like more red, but around this area too is just more red in general. And same with this side, like my cheeks are just always more red, but it's way more balanced on this side. That's insane. Oh my god. I'm in love. Alright, let's put some on this side. Instantly, you guys, wow, it's just like covering up that redness. Okay, I actually need a few more drops because I ran out. So let's do like 2 more. Have any of you ever tried this before? If you have, leave a comment down below and let me know how your experience was with it, because I am very curious to know if everybody else is like as shocked as I am with these really quick results. So already I can tell that this is definitely making my skin more glowy and definitely has reduced the redness like a lot. Obviously there's still some redness peeking through, especially like on this bigger breakout and on this one too, but overall the skin tone has just been way more neutralized. Alright, so this has been on my face for about 10 minutes now, and I'm not getting any sort of irritation or burning or redness or anything like that. It's the complete opposite. It's very neutralizing, it's very soothing, and I just love it a lot. I'm very impressed. I think this would make a really great tinted moisturizer, or like an addition to your moisturizer to make it tinted for summer. It's really perfect because it's really lightweight. Now usually I would be totally fine with just leaving my skin like this, but for the purposes of trying this out, I'm going to be putting on makeup and seeing how it wears. Alright, so I just finished up my makeup. If you're curious about what products I use, it's pretty much everything that I use in My Boyfriend Does My Voiceover video. I'll have it linked down here so you can check it out. All the face products are the same. So anyway, my makeup applied very easily to my face. I had no issues. Everything just blended like usual. I love that the Tiger Grass Camo drops just feel like skin. and they do just such a great job of exactly what they say they're gonna do. So final thoughts, 110% would recommend this. If you have oily, acne-prone, and sensitive skin like I do, I definitely say go to Sephora and try it out. Get a sample if you want to, because you just need to try this. I can already tell this is gonna become a new staple in my skincare routine. Thank you so much to Dr. Jart for sending me these products. Also, how cute is this bag? I'm obsessed. It's also so big. I store like all my makeup in it now. I love it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!